Joy Mangano. There you guys are for the one and only Joy Mangano. It's a single touch hair dryer with all the bonus brushes. So before I show you all the wow, and wait till you see what this does, you get the hair dryer, you get the diffuser, which is really great if you've got curly hair to just kind of scrunch it and keep that nice soft curl in it. Here is an attachment. This is what I use when you're doing your round brush and you want to just kind of make sure your hair is all going in the right direction. We also give you matching brushes. This one's great when your hair is wet, and then, just to brush it out. Round brush, of course, great for styling. And then you've got a double-edged comber, which, of course, you can regular comb your hair, but also you can tease it, gently tease it with this specialty comb. And, of course, they all match, and you've got your beautiful set. We've got great colors, too. But here's the value. $189 value. And then we've got it today for $39.98. Wait a minute, that's my coffee. Why'd you take that? And why is Elsa running away like it's not 10 faves? Don't run away. You're supposed to be out here with me. Here's our color choices. Teal, fuchsia, purple, white, black, and the brand new color is the copper. So here's the deal. You've got higher settings, lower settings, higher speed, lower speed. You even have a cold shot, but here's what the amazing part about this is. I just picked this up by just letting go. It goes on. So when you're drying your hair, you ever take your brush, you're drying your hair, and you set it down, and then it like still is going and then travels across your counter. This just stops and it goes off when you're not touching it. It's a powerful 1875 watt hair dryer with a single touch on-off induction technology. 2 switches, 2 speeds, 3 heat settings, warm to dry. So if you put on warm, that's for drying your hair. And the heat, you have hot, that's for styling. And then you can do the cold shot to set your hair after you've done it. I love that it's super lightweight. It's only 1.4 pounds. The cord is 9 feet long. You're getting all sorts of bonuses with the brushes, the rounded brush, the flat brush, the double-sided comb, which is great for teasing. So this is a great deal. It's 50% off the HSN price. The retail value, again, $189.95. Today, just $39.95. Flex payment, under 10 bucks to get home. Extra flex payment with the HSN card is $7.99. But what I think is amazing is if you don't have an HSN card, we're doing a special right now where if you apply for the HSN card, you get $20 off a single item purchase. You would get the entire Today special for $19.95 today. And remember, the magic of this is all you do is touch it to go on. Touch it to go on, let go to go off. I mean, look how amazing that is. So the minute you pick it up, you use your dryer, and then when you set it down, it goes off, which honestly I think is the most annoying thing about all blow dryers is that you have to like push the, I have to get my reading glasses out to find out, how to turn it on. Now, I just pick it up and it's on, I set it down and it's off. And boy, that's powerful. It just blew my cards right off the table. So let's talk about the power. Because I was talking to Deb Byers and Joy before the show, and it's like, you can go to the drugstore and you would think like $39.95 is even less than like a drugstore brand, but you've got 1,875 watts of power, and that's what the $100 to $150, $200 blow dryers cost. So I think that is, a steal of a deal, and so many of you, let's see, 17,000 of you have already picked this up here at HSN. Can we come back to me live, because there's a lot of action happening live in the studio. What else? I miss you. Wait, why? Don't leave. We're going to see you throughout the show. Part of 10 Faves is you get to see the crew. There's Steven Anderson, by the way, who is an amazing stylist, an awesome guy, and uses it in his salon. And by the way, his salon is across the street from my house. So if you, it's a professional blow dry, a professional, but only Joy can bring us to us at this price. This is, I would add a 1 in front of that and think about, you wouldn't even get all these attachments. This is exclusively for us, and it's one day only. After today, you're never gonna see this deal or special. And the full presentation, Adam, is gonna be at 5 a.m. It's gonna be at 5 a.m., but I would definitely get yours